Hi there! Today I'm again with the keywords analysis and with the query analysis within our Google Search Console module. And today we will be talking about query visible rate, which is what exact visibility your query had over a given period of time in percentage. How many days your query was visible in SERP divided by the number of days over a given period of time. First of all, I would like to thank you, one of our clients who is Juan Tascan, who inspired us for this feature, and we really find it so helpful. So Juan, thank you so much, and we are really thankful to such clients who are ready to share and who have time to share their ideas within the tools they lack in our platform, and which at the end of the day makes our platform much more effective and much more handy for all of us and for all of you. And this criteria, query visible rate, is present in all the sections of your keywords reports. So you may analyze it within all keywords section, or for example new keywords, those keywords which erase comparing to the previous period of time. And you see how many impressions and clicks they've got comparing to the previous periods of time, and what is the visibility rate right now, the query visible rate right now of this particular query. If we go to lost keywords section, we see what it used to have, what query visible rate it used to have when these keywords were present in the SERP. And for example, zero clicks keywords. What is their query visibility rate here? Of course, you can filter these lists and see the least visible rate queries and work with it. And of course, you may pick up the needed period here and analyze this particular criteria within the period of time and compare it to the previous period of time. Of course, you may work with this rate in your winners list, in your losers list of URLs. So we find this criteria really vivid, and it gives you so much insights within the query visibility rate, because you have the URL, you have the correlating titles to the query, etc. But you never know what is the visibility rate, how often this query is visible in SERP, which is crucially important within your SEO optimization and within the main target to get as many SEO visits by this query as possible. So again, thank you, Juan, for such a great idea, and we hope you will find this query visible rate really helpful. Thanks a lot and have a great day.